Hello everyone, I have some great news to share with you. So let me tell you, do you know Perseverance, the American robot, it landed on Mars at 18 February. So NASA Ingenuity is attached to Perseverance belly. So it's going to take its first flight on 12 April 3:30 a.m. So we hope NASA Ingenuity would have a great flight and be great and be like Perseverance, and we all like them. So Perseverance and NASA Ingenuity are both the same, but a little different. Am I right? Isn't this so interesting? So that was my great news for today. Bye-bye.